In this video, you will learn how a client used Active Peers AI with job seekers to build their confidence through empathy with their peers. Our client has in fact used their service many times, and she found it to be particularly effective during a job readiness module as her students felt overwhelmed when they were trying to find new jobs or change careers. Job seekers often develop feelings of anxiousness as they are worried about how they present themselves to prospective employers and what to say to recruiters. Active Peers AI offered these job seekers a chance to connect with those who are either in a similar situation or who can empathize with how they feel, so that they're not only able to build their confidence, but also leverage the support of other people who have been or are in a similar position. The students were also very eager to learn practical tips, gain wisdom, and hear about others' experiences. So to achieve these goals, our client ran a mock interview where the job seekers got a chance to play the role of both an interviewer and interviewee. First, the participants filled out a survey to help break down their job readiness into areas they're good at and areas they want to improve on, such as CV preparation, interview skills, and networking. They used AI matching to connect these job seekers based on the results of this survey. The matching mechanism connected people who are comfortable in one area to those who want to learn more about that area. For instance, people who wanted to learn more about handling interviews were matched with people who were good at doing interviews. It is a simple but effective way to help people connect meaningfully, and it is much better than listening to a presentation on the do's and don'ts in an interview. Next, they used a peer learning prompter to give structure to the interaction and help think through their experiences. The job seekers could stay on track while ensuring that everybody got a chance to share their experience. This also made interviews seem less daunting to the job seekers as they had experienced what it was like to be on the underside of the interview table as an interviewer. The activity helped them understand that they first need to know what the recruiter wants, determine if they have it, and then give it to the recruiter in a language that they understand. Hence, these job seekers felt more confident about their job readiness once they had the chance to experience what a recruiter is looking for in an interview. After the mock interviews, the job seekers documented their learnings. It is important to think through what you have learned so that you can reflect back on it. Our client talked through the feedback with them. She pointed out the trends, emphasized that it is natural for people to feel anxious and overwhelmed when applying for jobs, and summarized the concrete steps that they can follow to move forward. In the end, our client was able to successfully build these job seekers' confidence by giving them a chance to have mock interviews in a non-threatening environment, sharing experiences with their empathetic peers, and helping them connect with each other with just the information they needed.
Created using Powtoon.